Hey guys, hope you're doing well, and today we're going to be trying to make my Omni-Blade here from Mass Effect glow. Alrighty, thank you for tuning into the video. And if you don't know already about what Mass Effect is, it's a video game trilogy, well, besides the newest one, Andromeda. I like it. A lot of people don't like that one, but I like it. But the main trilogy, that's where it's at. But yeah, what I was saying, Mass Effect is a RPG, sci-fi, space adventure type video game by the company BioWare. I highly recommend playing it if you love RPGs, space, aliens. But yeah, the Omni-Blade here I bought from GameStop. I've always wondered if there's a way I can make it glow, because I would love to have it like somewhere in my room, having it over there in the distance, just glowing. So I thought I could try LED light strips. Maybe I can make the base like light up somehow. But this is only a theory that maybe it would work. Don't know if it's gonna work, but we will see. But yeah, since it's been a project I've been wanting to try, I thought it'd be a good time to try it out in celebration of Mass Effect Legendary Edition coming out. I'll explain what I'm going to be doing as I'm doing it in voiceover, so let's just get right to it.
And to start off, I went ahead and started cleaning off the stand as best as I could, so that way the adhesive on the back of the LED light strips would stick a lot more firmly. And I also cleaned off my Omni-Blade because, well, it was pretty dusty. And once everything was cleaned off, I went ahead and started putting my Omni-Blade back onto the stand, so that way I could figure out how I was going to add the LED light strips to the bottom. I didn't want to add it all over the bottom, I just wanted to add it more in the center, but I wanted to make sure it was in the center enough to fill up the whole Omni-Blade, if that makes any sense. The LED light strips I got were pretty much longer than I really anticipated, but oh well, it's better to have more I guess than less, so that way I know I would be able to fill up the base as much as I need. Also, the LED light strips that I got, they're multicolored, so you can pick any color from the remote that it came with. I believe most LED light strips are multicolored, but if I'm not mistaken, you can order the strips in just one single color, but in this case I have one that's different colors, so I could pick the different oranges that I would want. The darkers like red orange, just a regular orange, yellow orange, etc. And once I got everything out of the box, I started putting on the LED light strips to the base of the stand. I was trying to do as best as I could to put it in like a circular rotation, starting from the outer and then circling it into the inner, if that makes sense. But about that, it was really difficult because the way the LED light strips are, trying to put something in a circle, it's not flat anymore, it starts curling up, so it was really difficult. But I found a way to just push down the edges that were like balling up from the curves, just pressing them down. As long as you can get it to stick to the base, then it's fine. Like, nothing's gonna break or whatnot. As long as you don't cut the strip in half, you should be good. But of course, you should always be cautious as well. Once it was all set and I had everything in the circular rotation stuck to the base, the LED light strips, when I turned them on, they just ball up and like create a huge ball of light, I guess you can say. And oh yeah, I forgot to mention that before I started putting the LED light strips to the bottom of the base, I took the Omni-Blade off the stand just so you can have it on there if you want, but of course it'd be easier to work without it in the way. But anyways, in this case right now, since we have everything stuck to the base, the lights, I put the Omni-Blade the Omni-Blade back on. And it was now the moment of truth. Let's see what happens when the lights are on with Omni-Blade attached. As you can see, it kind of glows, mostly on the bottom base because that ball of light is just so visible. So the bottom part of the Omni-Blade pretty much glows, not so much the top. So I went ahead and started thinking of ways I can probably fix the problem. My first idea was to maybe darken the room because I was working in such a lit up spot. So yeah, and this is what happened. It was better, but still the same problem. The ball of light at the bottom is just really overwhelming. As for my next idea, I thought, okay, so if the bottom is just a huge ball of light and only some of the bottom of the Omni-Blade glows, I needed a way to get the light to go more up to the whole Omni-Blade. So in other words, basically, I need not only the bottom, but I need the middle and the top sections to also glow, of course. So I thought, okay, I have to figure out how to get the LED light strips on the base, the stand, and the little like handle part that keeps the Omni-Blade, the top part. There's a thing there that holds it in place. So then I went ahead and removed the adhesive from the LED light strips off of the base, and I did some on the bottom and some on the back part of the stand going up so you can see it, and then I have some on the handle that holds the top part of the Omni-Blade in place. And yeah, in the end, this is the result that happened. You'll see. Better, but still the same problem with the ball of light at the bottom is there. It's just not as overwhelming as it was before, and now since I moved some of the lights more up, I was able to get more of the Omni-Blade to glow, but it's still not glowing like how I wanted it to, and still the bottom is just a ball of light, and it's overwhelming. Overwhelming in the way I didn't intend. But like I said, I didn't know if this was gonna work or not, and well, it does look kind of cool, but there we have it.
Alright, so as you can see from the video, it kind of worked and then it kind of didn't. Yeah, but anyways, at least it kind of glows, I guess you can say. But like I said, it was just a theory I thought I'd try, so I guess the LED light strips weren't compatible with this idea. But who knows, maybe there's a different way I could have went about it. But yeah, if you have any suggestions on what I can try, please let me know. Or if you've done this project before, please let me know. But anyways, yeah. If you liked this video, enjoyed it, whatnot, please, if you haven't already, please like, subscribe, and tickle the bell icon so you don't miss any notification for whenever I post a video to my channel. I'm done talking now. But yeah, and as always, stay awesome, guys.